guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe sa aming channel, please do so para lagi kang updated sa mga future videos. So, for today's tutorial, we will be making a DIY sugar wax for hair removal that is simple, easy, and affordable with just 3 ingredients. First, we will need a half cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or calamansi juice, and 2 tablespoons of water. Don't forget your pan! The first thing we need to do before we turn on the stove is to mix all our ingredients. Stir the mixture to combine them hanggang sa ma-dissolve na yung sugar. Turn on the heat to medium or high para hindi agad-agad masusunog yung mixture. Just keep on stirring, guys. At this point, completely dissolved na yung sugar natin and dapat kumukulo na siya ng katulad ng sa ganyan. If tingin nyo na parang hindi nawawala yung bubbles or dumadami yung bubbles, you have to turn down your heat to low heat para hindi agad masunog yung ating mixture. Hirap na kasi guys, pag nasunog yung mixture natin, madali siyang titigas, di mo na siya magagamit for hair removal. Kaya, just keep on stirring, keep on stirring, keep on stirring. The color we are trying to achieve here, guys, is honey or deep golden brown color. So just keep on stirring until you get to the point na magkaroon kayo ng thick or honey-like consistency ng mixture. And ganyan na rin yung color. Tapos, if you get to the point na nakuha nyo na yung consistency na kailangan for our wax, you have to turn off your heat and let it cool down for ilang minutes. If you're not gonna use it right away, guys, you can cool it down for about 30 minutes before storing it in an airtight container. Just make sure that you have applied oil around the insides of the container for it not to stick. You know, hot wax. Kung gusto nyo talaga siyang gamitin, guys, agad-agad, just make sure it is cool enough for you to touch it. Just don't burn yourself, okay? Huwag niyong pasuin yung sarili niyo. Huwag niyong sinasaktan yung sarili niyo, ha? Well, may isa pa naman trick dyan, guys, since kailangan talagang warm yung wax before we use it. Pero hindi yung tipong papasuin kayo, ha? You can use water. Just dip your fingers sa water. Just enough for them to coat your fingers. And then, ayun, pwede mo nang hawakan yung wax. Pero pagka tingin mo napapasok ka pa, just dip your fingers. Ang ginawa ni ate dito, nilagay na lang niya muna yung wax sa water para mag-cool down siya. And then, ito, kailangan nyo siyang i-stretch ng maigi hanggang sa mag-lighten yung color and maging sticky na siya. So here we go, guys. Just make sure that the hair is 1/2 inch long and then the area that you're about to wax is clean, dry, and free from any lotions or oils. To use the wax, guys, you have to apply it against the direction ng hair grows and you have to smoothen it para kumapit mismo yung hair dun sa wax. And para matanggal siya, guys, you have to pull the wax dun sa direction na hair grows as fast as you can. You can flick it, you can pull it, basta as fast as you can. Kasi pag mabagal, mas masakit siya lalo na kung mahaba yung buhok. Unlike regular waxing, guys, ang kagandahan nitong sugar waxing is that you can go over some areas a few more times. Lalo na yung mga areas na ayaw matanggal yung buhok or ayaw talaga magpatanggal ng buhok. So after waxing, we just applied aloe vera gel just to soothe yung mismong part ng winax namin. This is perfect lalo na sa panahon ngayon. You don't need to go to the salon just to get a service like this. You can even do this by yourself. It's easy, simple, affordable, and tipid ka pa, girl, no? So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!